Morning. On a snowy one today. I did plan on going right up the top of here to go and scout out a bit of a quarry that I found. I found it on the OS maps, but I can't get up there. The road's too dangerous. It's ridiculous. I got up as far as I can go, so just going to go have a look up here and make it pretty quick, like, 'cause it's can't really see on the camera. It looks nice, but there's a big black cloud up there and it's coming this way, so I don't know if we're going to get any more. We'll see where this road takes us. I don't know if you can see up there, but there's looks like a fox walking down the road. Like, oh, I can't zoom in on this bloody thing. Oh look, he's seen us. Oh, he's gone. Stuck the lead on the dog because I didn't want her going after it. I see these little footprints, so I thought, oh, I wonder what that is. I don't know whether somebody else has been up here with a dog or what, but there's no footprints behind it, so he's out looking for some food by the looks of it. He's been jotting around all over the place. Be a youngster, perhaps. He'll jump down here somewhere. You see him. I'll slow down a bit. You're hiding out down in there somewhere. She's smoking. She's on the trail, look. Smell him, can you? Can you smell him? No, don't know where he's gone. Rox, you choke yourself out, you silly girl. Come here. Come here. Let me unhook you then. Don't go running off. She's like, I can smell them foxes. Yeah. They're pretty elusive, to be fair. Might pop back out behind us or something. Never know. Come on, leave it be. Come on. He's had a good old scout up this road, yes. Yeah, leave him alone. What's that then? What's that for? If anybody knows, let me know, because I don't know what that is. Oh, it could be for bats, couldn't it? Yeah, it could be for bats. Come on, leave it alone. Oh, the sun's shining. Not a massive breeze. But I love being the first one to walk on the snow. Then footprints. Come on. Whee! Oh, it's a deer. Another one. Rocks! Here! A couple of deer there. Oh, I can't zoom in with this bloody camera. They're going up in the woods there, they are. It's nice to see. Oh, I haven't seen no deer up here for a long time. Nice to see a bit of nature change. Got to get me a decent camera and a drone. So we'll see where they've gone. Up there somewhere. It's amazing. It's there's so many deer about, but you hardly ever see them. Hey, shut up! You barking? Oh, there's a sheep down there, isn't there? Yeah. Oh well. That sun is blinding. It's actually quite mild. It was in the minuses earlier on, but now that sun's come up and it's pretty warm. The cloud seems to have disappeared over there as well, which is a good thing. I don't want to get stuck up here like that. I'm prepared to get stuck up here. Like the last couple of days, if need be. Don't know if the dog will like it much, mine. She's got plenty of treats. Dog's camouflage today instead of sticking out. Hey, camouflage, didn't you? Oh, birds tweeting. Yeah. Somebody's been ragging it around here today. It's like an ATV or something. It's all fenced off there for some reason. See where this little bit takes us in. Quite thick up in there. Real thick. What's that then? There's a stone there, look. Yeah. Come on, have a look in here. See what's going on over here. looks like an old track, I'd say. Maybe a old building there, perhaps. Definite track here though. Going down here, look. Wall. Well, that wind's starting to pick up. Come on, this way. Whoa, it's cold. That wind's cold. Big old ash. See that cloud building up over there? That's snow. Guaranteed. Only just managed to get to where I got, so if it snows anymore then I'm going to be struggling. I'll have to turn around in a bit and head back just to be safe. Otherwise I get a bit carried away. So we'll look down here, shall we? Forestry track, looks of it. They leave a mess, don't they? Beautiful. Yeah, I don't know if you can see on the map on the GoPro light, but there's a cairn. There's a cairn up there. Now, I've had a look on my map, and there's a route you can go where there's three. You can get to three cairns on like a bit of a loop from the car park up past the reservoir. Old Gwynafar reservoir, and back round, and then you go there's a couple of peaks up there that I want to go and explore at some point. There's another peak up there. There's a few about you. I say I don't know how far it is. It's about 10-12 mile round trip, I expect. It's a few hours walk. But yeah, I'll have to go and have a look up there now when the weather gets better. Another one up there as well, another peak I want to go up to. There's 3 cairns along there somewhere. I'll have a look when we can get up there, that is. Yeah, I'm retracing my steps now. Gonna head back and then attempt to try and get out of here. It was a bit of a mission trying to get up here. I might do a time lapse of me getting out of here or something, so you can see the state of the roads. Pretty treacherous today, to be fair. See, I never met anybody on the way up here, and where I've parked there isn't anybody, so they're a bit wiser than me. I just want to get out. It's nice just to get out in the fresh air, isn't it? Especially when the sun's shining. But never mind, if we can't get up to where we want to go, then we can't get up there, can we? Make do with this little one. Nice views though. Got the sun on my back. The dogs had their exercise. That's all that matters. Bit of peace for an hour. Seen some wildlife. A couple of deer and a fox. Shame I didn't have my Canon out, because I would have been able to zoom in, but never mind. It's a proper Canada feel. Reminds me of Canada. Always wanted to go to Canada. This is the road. Whoa. I'll try and get out of here yet. Drops down fairish. There's snow coming. Come on, you. Way up, black ice here. Say the sun's melted it all off on that side. Pretty shaded over there. Yeah, this is my plan today. I was going to go from the car park. I was going to walk this trail to the reservoir, and on past. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Then I was going to go right there to that point, and I was going to go right again and then go along here, and you got a cairn there. Keep following this trail, another cairn there. Keep going, keep going, keep going. And there's another cairn there, another cairn there. So what's that for? And then I was gonna head back down this track here, back to the car park, and then I wanted to on another day go from the car park up the back of here, and I want to go and explore that there, because it says there's a quarry there, disused quarry. But couldn't do that, any of those, so we ended up parking there and walked up this little trail here and back down this way, around the corner, and we turned around and went back and then cut through there and back down. Now I've got to try and get back out of here. Well, we made it home without crashing. Let's go in and have a cup of tea.